You saw me introduce all the other executive members, with the exception of the treasurer and the chair, because the chair was just walking in. So finally she's here. Let me take this opportunity to introduce our new members of the fourth estate. Before us, we have our chair of Acholi parliamentary group, as I did mention, Honorable Lamwaka. She has joined us, and here she is with us, our chair for the next 1.5 years.
That's my point. Anything, any question about the current affairs? Well, thank you, our dear members of the press.
Just a minute.
My name is Lamwaka. I'm a newly elected chairperson and parliamentary. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Chair Electoral Commission who conducted our election of today. And I am pleased that as a Acholi parliamentary group, we are beginning a new journey with total commitment, working together, ensuring our unity stands out for the purpose of ensuring that we deliver the needs of our people in the sub-region. My colleagues, the members of the executives are here with me, and prominent members of Acholi parliamentary group are behind us. The whole association looks forward to ensuring that this 12th parliament, we are able to communicate the exact voice of our people in the region and ensure that we attract development in the region, the best interest of the people who elected us. We have no reason to disagree among ourselves, because the biggest mandate that we have by our people who sent us requires us to work together. So in this term of 5 years, the 12th Parliament as a Acholi parliamentary group, our focus is to ensure that the welfare of our people in the region gets improved. If government is working, how do we engage with government to ensure that our region gets what it is? So as members of the press, there are certain issues in the region that we may not speak about them holistically now, but of course with time you'll hear statements coming from us as the executive together with the members of the association, highlighting them and presenting directions that we would appreciate government look into, development partners to express themselves into, so that we are able to deliver the expectation of our people. Well, as the head of the executive, together with the members of the executive and the members of the association, the most crucial thing is always engagement. How do we engage with government? How do we engage with people who matter? Because there is nothing more powerful than sitting together on a round table and presenting your issues to someone who has got to provide an answer. So we strongly believe that when we present our case to government, those who matter, for those particular issues that affect us, engage with them, we can forge a way forward and have our issues attended. We cited the issues of the Balaalo. Yes, we started handling, though it's not holistically concluded. We cited there are many issues related to poverty in the region. There are issues related to the dry spell in the region. Because of the dry spell, we have lost crops, people are hungry, we are going to struggle for food. These are issues that we have to engage